All right, today's March 21st, and we got swarm number 4 for 2026. I haven't had time to edit really the videos from yesterday, swarms 2 and 3. Been busy, but today I'm gonna wear a glove because yesterday they stung me umpteen times. My arm is swollen. This tree is a happening place. Swarms number 1, 2, and 4 all in this tulip tree. We're gonna get it caught. Start spraying them. All right, go on the other side. Since this one is so low to the ground, I'm using this plastic container here. Gonna knock them in it, put the lid on it, and then stick it in the box. So, here we go. I'm gonna shake it really hard. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
No, let Mama back up.
I'll just hold
All right.
You got stung?
No.
Good.
Is I'm gonna bump it. Then put the queen excluder. Then we wait. Now we wait and see if all the bees go in the box. That lets us know if we got the queen. All right, I think we got her caught. We got their butts up in the air. But we're gonna leave this here for a while, come back and check. If we didn't get her caught, they'll most likely go back to that limb. But for the meantime, we gotta go get 2 bought swarms in a box and transfer them into a hive. And we're gonna go film that. That's what we were doing until we saw this. So we deviated.